Hi everyone, my name is Sean Taggart and I am a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration team here at Pentagon. Today's video will look at the recent release of Revit 25 and how these updates will help you as a user, as well as the services and training Pentagon offers. There are several updates released with Revit 2025, but the key updates that I find most useful are using shafts on top of solids. In previous versions, shaft openings would cut through the entire top of solid element. Now the bottom of the shaft is respected in relation to the position within the top of solid. As you can see from the clip presented, I have added a shaft into a top of solid. On the side you're able to see the properties, how you can pick which depth and sizes that you want to make your shaft opening within the top of solid. This can be done with many different shapes. As you can see, I am trying a circle effect at the moment to cut my shaft, but this can be changed. Following on from this step, you can then excavate a volume from a top of solid by inserting a roof or a floor element. Revit 25 introduces new total carbon analysis capabilities, assisting architects to better understand embodied and operational carbon impacts of their architectural models. The next generation of Autodesk Insight provides you with carbon insights, allowing you to create an energy analytical model that embodies the carbon footprint of the building. This is right from the project's inception the whole way through to the construction design stage. You'll be given dashboards that are workable dashboards that can assist and help the whole team throughout the process. The next thing we're going to look at is sheet collections. Revit 2025 enhances project management with sheet collections. This feature facilitates the efficient organisation of project sheets in package, creating flexible sheet groups without having to go through the hassle of creating custom parameters or using any additional software. Pentagon Solutions can provide comprehensive training to your team members, ensuring that they fully understand Revit's capability and software features, different workflow processes, and the requirements of a BIM project. Regardless if you are a BIM technician, modeler, project manager, coordinator, or information manager, Pentagon provides services that facilitate all of your organizational needs and meet role-specific requirements. From design to handover, construction to operations, each stage is essential for coordinating the project and ensuring that the data used is not just correct, but it's also relevant. Thanks for tuning in to our latest video on the new features of Revit 2025 and how we here at Pentagon can help you and your organization with this software. Subscribe to stay up to date and don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter.